Wakey, wakey, eggs and bacon. Let's do some art. Ready or not, here I come. Here I come. So we took a stroll downtown Sumner in Washington and found the cutest little vintage shop and got the cutest little vintage lamp. And this is me showing you what we did with it. My boob. That was an interesting shot. Okay, you guys, I am about to put up a new light in our already highly customized and designed house. My husband is back there teaching a drum lesson, so it's loud out here. But I wanted to show you this light. It is so awesome. You ever felt like you see something from your past and it just brings like this nostalgia? Well, Willie and I were both in an antique shop and we saw this light and we both just stopped on it. And both of us realized it made us feel like we were back at home in San Jose, and you just remember your upbringing because these antiques, you know, there's things that you were used to being around or styles that you were used to being around. So this one, I'm going to show you this light. Do you remember these? Oh my God, it's so cool. Okay, so look at this. And it has this long chain. And so I'm gonna put it up there in the corner and it's gonna hang over the TV and we'll see how it goes. So let's talk about hardware. So one of the things that I researched is how to do this correctly. So the advice is screw this part in first, then screw this part in, but only just letting a little bit out. This piece is going to close like this, so you have it in slightly with just about this much sticking out. And then you put it into the wall, push it up in there, so you're gonna need to do a hole this size, enough to get it through, and then it opens up while it's in the ceiling and holds it in. As you're screwing the remainder in, you're actually pulling it down and you're screwing the righty-tighty. Keeps this flush on the ceiling by pulling it down, and it screws it in by pulling it down. I don't mind telling you that I've done this once before and it always scared me, but I did some research online and I feel confident now in what I'm doing. So whatever project you're working on, if you don't have a lot of confidence, do some tutorials on YouTube first and then you'll be handy with the drill. Making the first hole. Then I made the second hole to make it big enough. This time it fit and I heard it snap open on the ceiling. For a split second, I was scared that it was not going to twist, but I pulled down and I twisted and it worked. And voila, we have a hanging lamp that is secure. Look at how beautiful that looks. This, I'm not lying, was the perfect addition to what we needed in this room. A little cameo of the mayor. I love how it reflects off the mirror. In my living room, I have 2 crows and they have red eyes, if you're wondering what that red is. These two crows represent the two crows that I feed outside. Ooh, spooky. I had an Amityville horror moment where the crow's eyes reflected and looked like they were coming from outside. I also did another project where I hung a chandelier made with very tiny extra pieces of candle. And I bought one more thing and I used it as a bookshelf. Not the way most people use it, but I had my own ideas. I love it. Time to kick up my feet now and take it all in. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Om Vajrasatyasya